We're here at 55 Exchange at Clemson University, and I'm making a custom ice cream flavor. It's hot honey peach pie, and this is our first taste test. Cheers. Try the diced peaches, graham cracker bits, and the pecans. Oh, and maybe the salted caramel. Probably my phone up. VTS. I mean, I have to try the blue cheese first, I feel like. I guess I have. Have you had South Carolina barbecue sauce? No. It's good. Okay, yams. This is my first time having just like straight yam out of the can. Oh, wait, that's really good. Yeah, okay, I've made my decisions. Where did I put my pen? Oh. There we go. Wishbone Kitchen is our team name. So I've been doing a homemade ice cream flavor of the week every week this summer, and this is the perfect way to bring the series to a close. I am doing a custom flavor here at 55 Exchange. We have an assortment of local ingredients here to use as inspiration. The pecan pepper jelly was really speaking to me, as was the peaches on the ingredient list. I'm a sucker for peach ice cream, so I think I'm gonna do hot honey peach pie, inspired by hot honey margaritas. A little spicy, a little sweet, and lots of peach. The salted caramel is really good. I'm trying all my mix-ins in one bite. Just wanna make sure they're all speaking to each other. It's really good. Ooh, it does taste like pie. Okay, that was easy. I was afraid I was gonna like be really indecisive. I feel like I'm turning in a test.
So, you grade your test really quickly.
Yay.
All right.
Did I win?
Yeah, you passed.
Let's go. Thank God. Very technical. Let me get in there. Dairy base. Ooh. Where is it? Oh, it goes in here. Ice cream base into the machine. Gorge. Vanilla and peach. Nice. Diced peaches. Yum. Ooh. Rogue peach.
That will turn it on. Now it's just gonna start spinning like
you hear that noise?
interesting noise.
There
Give
you
it
go.
Roughly like 4 minutes or so, and you gotta.
4 minutes? Mine takes 30. Is it game time?
It is game time. Yeah.
Oh my God. Here we go.
The handle here.
Oh, she's gorgeous. Does anyone do this?
No, but we should. We should start doing it.
Think about it. A little faster? Yeah, I can handle it. Oh, we're rocking and rolling. Does it fill the whole bowl? I can manage that. There she
Am I
goes.
still filming? Or
No, you're okay.
Okay. Here we go. You can set it down.
Whoa. Oh boy. What's in there? Oh my gosh. I'm like, my brain is busted. I don't know how much is gonna be too much. I know. I, again, don't usually have this big of an audience. Okay. Let's see. I love graham cracker. And then the jelly, what's the deal with that? Just swirl it in. Oh, let's go. I'm not done. I'm about to use the whole jar. Okay, I think it looks great. It's good. Very good. This is the hot honey peach pie ice cream. Yum, yum, yum.